Alrighty, it's time to get some chickens prepped up for when we head to Big Nashville here for the next few days. So, gotta get some straw, some feed ready for them, get them in survival mode. Alright, one hay bale, and straw bale I should say, 2 straw bale. Yeah, chickens, whoops, I'm apart. For you. Whoa, start sliding. Chickies, chickies. Okay, so much for so much for 6, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them. Hey, what are you doing getting my camera? Huh? Here comes Rocky. He's trying to get him under control. But here's the eggs. Had 8 of them. All right. This is the Peterson farm chicken coop. It's not much, but it suffices. As you can see where they perch or roost. Then we got a couple lights that come on at dark and go off at daylight on a timer. And then this is where they lay their eggs. I use about 3 or 4, about 3 of them. Yeah, I put this styrofoam over the vents. Cut a vent in the back, one in the side, and one in the door. Especially when it was summertime. It helped. Rocky the rooster, and the other gray one is Rockette. Then we got the light brown ones, Bella and Abigail, I guess. And then the 3 white ones are all pain in the ass. I'm sorry, pain in the butts. The black ones, take them or leave them. They do have some nice laying eggs. So we got 9 hens and 1 rooster. Huh. Need to drill a hole in the top of this so I can fill it with water all the way up. But anyway, it's got a electrical line on it, and you can plug it in to, I'm sure, a outdoor rated extension cord. We're getting ready to take off to Big Nashville. Go ahead and fill them up here. Some of this up too. What's up, Rocky? I will say, for a rooster being possessive of his hens, if there's limited food, or he allows the females to eat first. I'll give him that. He's a gentleman that way, but pretty cocky in every other way. Alright, let's see what bounty. Oh, we got one sitting on the nest. Well, don't know if we want to disturb her yet. Have to come back and get the eggs. There's one down in the bottom, but she's probably sitting on 3 or 4. So we will. Yeah, there's one down there. There's 2 over there. And who knows how many she's sitting on. Well, we're about to find out. Oh, a lot. She doesn't like it. Yeah, there's 2, 4, 5 there, 6, 7, 8. So it looks like they're all giving up. Well, wait a minute. One up here, 9. Got a bonus. Alright, gotta be careful with this new straw too. When I put the straw down, sometimes they lay eggs on the floor. Six. And like I said, whoop, dropped one. Good straw. And 9. So I think it. All right, thank you, ladies. Appreciate the harvest, the bountiful harvest of eggs. Yeah. Most expensive eggs we'll ever eat. Alright. So they're pretty much free range throughout the day. We'll leave that open. They'll come back at night if that light's on. Alrighty. Got anything to say, Rocky? Rocky, got anything to say? Rocky's being... These are oyster crackers?
Yeah.
That you're feeding our chickens with?
That's probably not good.
They like them. If anybody has any things against oyster crackers for chickens, speak now or forever hold your peace. I think it's being spoiled.
Rocky.
Like I said, most expensive eggs you'll ever eat. What we have is a new chicken water dispenser tank. And it's heated. Now we already have the chickens set up for light, sort of heat light. With a timer set up for during the so what I need to do, alright, here's my incoming line. I just need to plug this in to that and plug the timer in to this. And then we'll plug our line going out to the heater tank like so. Oh, this is not dangerous fire-wise, I'm sure. Let's do this one better. Let's run it in through the same hole. We've got the other electrical coming in that way. We can close the door and keep everything uniform. Alright. So We got that all plugged in. Gonna take a few wire ties. The I guess the homesteader's tape. Comes in handy for everything. They're cheap. Buy them in bulk. Rural King or Harbor Freight. So just get this all tied up nice and neat. Let's put it this way. Get it tied up. Don't know about nice and neat. Then let's get this hung up out of the way. Don't care for that too much. Yeah. Alright. Like I said, it's tied up. Can't say nice and neat, but for this application, it will suffice. So now we'll go out just so we keep it up. Out of the way of things. Another zip tie. So we got their primary water tank, some feed bucket. Then we have their backup electric heated water tank here. And this is how we do it on Peterson's farm of Nashville. Thanks for stopping in. Hope you all have a great day. And come back next time. Remember to hit that thumbs up, like. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Stuff like this, along with other things that we do around here. Peterson's farm of Nashville. Have a great day.